This video is about understanding VPC and its component with a smooth workflow. With Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, we can deploy AWS resources inside a logically isolated network that we fully control. This environment resembles a traditional on-premise network, complete with subnets, IP addressing, routing, gateways, NAT, firewalls, access control list, interfaces, endpoints, and many more. VPC is region-specific and can span across multiple availability zones. An internet gateway enables resources in public subnets of a VPC to connect to the internet. It acts as a bridge between VPC and external networks. A VPC can be divided into multiple subnets, and each subnet exists within a single availability zone. Public subnets are configured to route traffic through the internet gateway, allowing resources inside them to be reachable from the internet. Private subnets, on the other hand, have no direct internet access, keeping their resources isolated from external traffic. A route table controls how network traffic moves within a VPC and beyond it. Public subnet is associated with public route table. The first route enables local communication within the VPC. The second route allows instances in the subnet to access the internet through the internet gateway, which is what makes the subnet public. Private subnet is associated with private route table. The route table enables only local communication within the VPC. A NAT gateway allows resources in private subnet to access the internet for outbound traffic while blocking any unsolicited inbound traffic. NAT gateways use elastic IP address, that is, static public IPv4 address. A security group acts as a virtual firewall that controls inbound and outbound traffic for each instances in the VPC. Security groups are stateful. Network ACLs provide security at the subnet level. NACLs are stateless, meaning inbound and outbound rules must be explicitly defined. With the basic idea of VPC components, let's build one. In the AWS Management Console, search for VPC and select it. Proceed with Create VPC. Select VPC and More option. Select Auto-Generate and give a name. Determine and enter the size of IPv4 CIDR block. Select No IPv6 CIDR block and Default in Tenancy section. Select number of availability zone 1 for now. Set number of public subnets and private subnet to 1. Give the CIDR block to each subnets without overlapping. In NAT gateway section, select In1AZ. For VPC endpoints, select None. Enable DNS hostname and DNS resolution both. DNS resolution allows the VPC to resolve domain names. DNS hostname gives instances DNS names that we can use to connect to them. VPC and More option helps to create VPC quickly. It also provides resource map while creating VPC. Proceed with Create VPC. Wait until Create VPC workflow is completed. As soon as the workflow is completed, proceed with View VPC. This is the resource map. Thanks for watching.